So this is our dumbbell squat series, and we're going to start off with a goblet squat. Keep that weight up with using your knee. The weight's going to be right in front of your face. You're initiating that movement with the hips by pushing them back and then forcing those knees out to the side. So this is a more vertical or upright squat pattern versus a low bar squat. Again, when we look at it from the front, we're really trying to drive those knees out to the side and keep those hips engaged throughout the entire range of motion. This is our 2 dumbbell front squat. The palms are facing your body. Again, upright, you're going to feel a lot of like ab and quad work while doing these. And again, we're looking for a crease of the hip goes below the knee. If you're having issues hitting depth, we suggest trying to use a box. In this situation, we try to start off with a 16-inch box, working your way down to a 14-inch box, and then finally a 12-inch box, really focusing on driving those knees out and keeping those hips engaged throughout the entire range of motion. So again, we're looking to get hips below the knee.